Hello guys, welcome to Xauusd. In today's video, we're going to be looking at our trade on gold in the past week, and of course, also look at forecasts for gold in this very week. So without further ado, let's get on to this video. Right, this is gold. And of course, last week we looked at gold and we made a forecast for what we expected to happen last week. Now, this is the video showing what we predict the market will do on gold last week. What I basically expect is something like this. You can see the pool, and then the next thing I expect to happen is a pull to the upside. Yeah, it might happen. This whole thing might happen throughout the week, or probably extend towards the coming week. But what I expect right now to happen is a pull to the downside, and then right after the pull, you have maybe one or two indecision candlesticks, and then a pull to the upside, probably another pull down again a little bit, and then a pull to the upside. So that is it. If you look at the daily time frame, you look at the monthly time frame, it shows you that gold has been really buying for a couple of months. So I'm not seeing anything that is changing that on gold in this season. So what are you to do if you are a scalper? If you're a scalper, you do well in taking your buy positions. Of course, your sell positions can as well work for you, but do not expect it to work the way your buy positions will give you results. And then if you are intraday trader, same thing you do, you go for your buy positions, and then you get your results that you always require. Of course, you're a swinger. You should know that your position is surely supposed to be on the buy. So what we're looking out for on gold this week is a strong buy on gold. It's a strong buy on gold. So with these, I do hope that you study your charts this weekend, and of course make your decision on what you should be looking out to trade on gold. Now, we had two very good opportunities on gold, and of course this opportunity happened on a 4-hour time frame. Of course, if you know, you see that gold has been on an uptrend for quite some months now. Gold has been on an uptrend for quite some months now. So what we waited for is to have a pullback on a 4-hour time frame, and of course we entered the market as soon as we got a signal to the upside from our 4-hour time frame. And this signal, of course, we get when the pullback from the 4-hour time frame is over. Now, we had 2 points of interest on this particular market. First, if you watched our previous video, I talked to you about indecisions candle that I was expecting to happen on gold. And of course, as you are looking at as you are seeing it on the chart right now, you can see the indecisions candles that happened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this indecisions candle make us to know that there is about to be a change to the upside. So if you can see on this our chart right here, you can see this point of interest on our chart. This first point of interest, this was where the buyers were fully taking over the market. The buyers were fully taking over the market. Now, if you're watching this video for the first time, this is Fibonacci chart, not actually candlesticks chart. So this chart, why we use this chart is that it filters a lot of noise away from the market. So on this chart right here, as you can see, we have this bullish candle going to the upside, telling us that the buyers have taken over the market. So what do we do after this? We went straight right up into our 5 minutes time frame, and on our 5 minutes time frame, we go straight right up to look for a pullback. Our 5 minutes time frame, we go straight right up to look for a pullback. And don't forget that this event happened right about 3 a.m. in the morning. So this candle closed right about 7 a.m. in the morning. So this 4-hour candle closed 7 a.m. in the morning. So from 7 a.m. in the morning, was where we went for the pullback. And the pullback we got from our 5 minutes time frame was at about this time. The pullback we got from our 5 minutes time frame was at about 7:05. 7:05 was the end of the pullback that we got from our 5 minutes time frame. So right after that, we took the trade and we placed our stop loss on our swing low, right below the swing low. And of course, our risk to reward was 1 risk to 2. 1 risk to 2. And then you see the market slide up and then we hit our take profit. The market rally up and we hit our take profit. Now, the second trade that we got was at this level again. Of course, we had a pullback on our 4-hour time frame, and then the pullback was over, and then we got a bullish candlestick to the upside, a bullish candlestick to the upside. So now, and this candlestick signifies that the buyers have once again taken over the market on our 4-hour time frame, and then this happened at about 11 p.m. in the night. Now, this trade was actually out of our trading time, but due to the fact that I've been looking at the market and expecting something to happen on this very day, was that I had to wait over and did my trading over the night. So now, as soon as we got this candlestick closing, and it closes at about 3 a.m. in the morning, and we jumped right up straight to our 5 minutes time frame once again. And our 5 minutes time frame, we waited for a pullback. We waited for a pullback. Do not forget again, once again, that this candle closed right about 3 a.m. in the morning. So from 3 a.m. in the morning, we went straight right up and looked for a pullback. And this pullback we got was at about 320. Was at about 320 that we got this pullback. 320 was when we got this pullback in the market. So as soon as we got this pullback, we took the trade, placed our stop loss right below the swing low, of course, and then we set our target to 1 risk to 2, and our target was hit. So this week did not really present much opportunities on gold, but the two opportunities that it presented, we took it, and of course it hit our TP. We took it, and of course it hit our TP. That is the magic of using Fibonacci chart. That is the magic of using the very candlestick chart that filters all the noises from the market. Now, if you've not watched my video concerning this strategy, I join you to watch it so that you can understand perfectly how this strategy works. We can understand perfectly how this strategy works. Now, coming right back into this week that we are right now, what do we expect gold to do? What am I expecting gold to do? Now, what I'm expecting gold to do on this in this very week is to give me something like this. Is to give me something like this. This is what I expect gold to do. This is what I'm expecting gold to do. Now, this right here is what I'm expecting gold to do. I'm expecting gold to come right a little bit down to this point, and of course continue its movement up to the upside, and of course continue its movement to the upside. This is what I expect gold to do this very week. I'm not seeing gold do a rally up straight to the upside. No, I'm seeing it make a turn to the downside a bit, and of course do a little bit of a double bottom, and of course before going right up into the upside. So this is what I expect gold to do in this very week. So what you should be doing as a day trader on gold is to look for a little bit of a sell in this very week, a little bit of a sell in this very week. Why I said a little bit of a sell is because it's kind of 50-50. So it's either we are selling much or we're going to be buying much. But where the striking difference is just that the difference is not going to be much from either the sell or the buy. It's more like less like a ranging market for this week. It's more or less a ranging market in gold for this week. So just like you know how we do it. I'll be advising you to strictly base your decision on the 4 hour time frame. Of course, when you see the change to either the upside or to the downside on the 4 hour time frame, you go right up straight into your 5 minutes, and then from your 5 minutes, you look for the pullback and take your trade. Do not expect much of a pips on gold this week. Just go for the shortest pips possible on gold and you'll be hitting your TP. Just go for the shortest pips possible on gold and you'll be hitting your TP. Now, if you've watched this video to this time, kindly smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, of course, turn on your notification bell so that you can be getting more content from this channel. Now, until I see you again, keep making every pip count. Peace out.